Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Make Direct by Sopari, helping you to make money through online. So in today's video we are going to discuss how to promote your affiliate links with the use of Digistore24. But before that, here you can see the watch time. I have 82% of unsubscribed users watching my videos. So I request you to please subscribe and hit that bell icon. There is nothing wrong in that. Why? Because your like and subscribe would be motivating me to make new strategies and new videos. So I request you to please subscribe and hit that bell icon. So in today's video we are going to give a look at how to promote your affiliate links and make money with Digistore24. Okay, so here there are only three most important things we need to concentrate. Let's discuss. The first step is how to promote your affiliate link for free on social media. This is the first thing. And the second thing, how to increase your affiliate commissions by the way or by making use of autoresponders or email marketing. The third thing is make money online promoting affiliate links through social media platforms, different platforms. I'm going to show you how to promote it. Okay, so let's jump into my board. So before moving to the right way of promoting affiliate links on social media, let's discuss the wrong way, what people are doing at present as an affiliate marketers. Suppose say this is our Digistore24 platform, okay, and there is an affiliate product. So once we got the affiliate link, what people are doing is they directly go to social media, okay, and start promoting that link directly on social media, and from there they would be diverting them to the sales page. Okay, but this is, according to me, is a completely wrong process. Okay, before promoting an affiliate link, you need to check on your affiliate platform whether that product is eligible to promote it on social media or not. There is a disclaimer option in each and every affiliate product. There you need to go and search for the disclaimer option, and there you need to read whether this link can be shared on social media or not. If it says like you need not to share, you shouldn't share this link on social media, then once you start doing it, then you get reported for sure. Okay, that's a wrong process. Lot many people are doing this, and I request you to not follow direct linking with social media platforms. Okay, so I request you to not follow this. I'm going to show you an exact way how to promote it in a right way. Okay, so please stay tuned. The exact way of promoting affiliate link is, once you get your affiliate link from any affiliate platform, okay, after reading the disclaimer, the second thing is you need to create a bridge page in between. Okay, you can create a bridge page or a landing page directly. Okay, and in this landing page you can create opt-in page also. Opt-in page is nothing but to take their information like first name, email ID, mobile number, etc. In bridge page, just showing people like if they're interested to move with the next step, they need to click a button. So there should be a bridge in between. So you can create a bridge page or a landing page. After bridge page, you can create an opt-in page, a separate opt-in page. Okay, if in case in this landing page you can create opt-in page itself, from here you can divert them to a sales page, and from here also you can divert them to a sales page. But here comes the game. Okay, in opt-in page, what you can do is you can grab their email IDs, okay, which would be helpful for you to do email marketing. If in case you got with another affiliate product, if there is any new affiliate product, there need not to do any promotions, directly you can go with email marketing. So there are some schedules like email schedules, so you can move with those schedules and target them via email marketing. So this is the right way. Take the link, create a bridge page or opt-in page or landing page directly. From there you can divert them to the sales page, Okay, in opt-in page you can take their email ID, first name and mobile number, or just email ID is more than enough to do email marketing. So this is the right way of promoting affiliate link on social media. So if you like to know how to create an landing page in between, I've created few videos earlier. Okay, you can scroll down here, you would be finding like where is it? See, create money making landing page for affiliates. This is one of the best way of creating free landing page, and there is an option like free domain, collect unlimited emails, free SSL, free hosting. There is another video also, you can please check with that. And also I request you to watch all my strategies which would be helping you to drive traffic. Okay, so here I'm going to give you an another example like how to drive traffic to your affiliate link. Okay, there is a platform called Medium. Okay, by making of this platform you can start promoting your affiliate link and drive traffic and get sales. Okay, but before that you need to understand, like you need to create a bridge page or an landing page or maybe an opt-in page in between. So for that you need to check my previous videos. So once that landing page is created, here you can promote it on Medium. Okay, Medium or any social media platforms. So I'm taking an example of Medium. So on Medium also there are some limitations. Okay, so if you are new registering to this Medium platform, then I request you to not include a link in your first blog. Okay, first article. The Medium is nothing but it's an completely an platform consisting of lot many articles. Okay, and there is an very huge traffic diverted on Medium platform. So I request you to write articles. Okay, you can get articles for free. You can also watch my previous videos how to spin words and write article. Okay, there is a link, I would mentioning the link in the description, you can please check with that. So here there are some limitations. As I said, do not include links in your first article, and also don't include shorten links. Okay, you need to include. That's the reason I'm asking you to make a bridge page or a landing page in between, so that those links are accepted in Medium. Okay, and also don't include single link multiple times in one article. It also count it as spam. So I request you to follow these guidelines before like writing articles on medium.com. So this is an example. So once you are done with your article, you have to click here and write a story. Click on write a story, and you need to give your title and write your article over here. So once I'm going to show you an example how it looks like. So here I'm going to show you an example. Okay, this is my organization, Crit Audit. You can search and just give a look how I would be writing all the articles. And before that, let me show you the statistics, how people would be visiting. Okay, this is a new, completely new platform, like a new ID what I've created. See, till date I've got around 27 views within 30 days, and recently I've started getting traffic from various sources. These are the articles, so you can give a look. Okay, I'm going to show you an example of how I would be writing an article. Okay, so let me check whether I have any article or not. See, easy strategies for effective stress management. So here I have completely to the bottom, 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 to the bottom. I have given an affiliate link. Actually, it's not an affiliate link. Okay, see here, this is not an affiliate link, this is a landing page. Okay, once anyone click on this, you can just check they diverted to the landing page. Okay, from here I'm asking them to move with our platform, like our affiliate link. So once they click here, see what happens next. They landed on our affiliate link. This is the right way of doing affiliate marketing, including the direct link in some social media platforms. What happened? They doesn't accept us. okay, it may count under spam. So that's the reason this is one of the best way of doing affiliate marketing in social media platforms. Step number 2, how to increase affiliate commissions by making use of email marketing. So guys, I request you to please subscribe. Why? Because I'm going to discuss this strategy in my next video, okay. And you know, there is a bonus, like I'm going to show you exactly how I would be making my landing page absolutely for free and collect around 1000 emails completely for free. So everything I'm going to reveal it in my next video, the second step. So guys, please do subscribe and hit that bell icon so that the next time when I drop a video, you won't be like missing the notification. Now the last and final step, how to make money online promoting affiliate links through various social media platforms. So earlier I have spoke about Medium. So there are lot many social media platforms apart from what you are seeing here: Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. There are n number of platforms there, okay. So I'm going to show you an example how we are going to promote it on Pinterest, okay. For example, say, okay, so this is how I've designed my creative, okay. This is the post. So where you need to design this Pinterest post, so there is a platform called Canva. Here you can search, you can find lot many creatives, ready-made creatives. You can go there, edit it and start posting it on social media. The platform name is called Canva, okay. So on Canva I've designed this post. So I've this is just an example. So I've posted it on Pinterest and given a title, description, and here I've given a YouTube link, but here you need to give your landing page link, okay. So you might be seen in lot many videos, people would be asking you to buy certain kind of products or softwares to create your landing page, but you need not to worry about that. You can check my previous videos, okay. There I've mentioned clearly how to create a free landing page and grab emails. If not, then you please subscribe to my channel and wait for my next video. I'm going to reveal my secret way how to create your own landing page completely for free. You can create 3 landing pages. There is a software, I'm going to reveal it in my next video. So please do subscribe. So there you can create it for free. You can do email marketing, approx 1000 emails. It's very easy to create your landing pages, okay. So this is how we need to promote, and here we need to give our landing page link and click on publish. So not only with Pinterest, there are a number of platforms like Medium. So Medium also just give your landing page. On Instagram also give your landing page, and coming to Facebook, same, do follow all the same structure what I have shown. So if in case you have any queries like how to promote this on social media with different strategies, I have a list with me. You can go to my channel and you can see there are lot many other strategies. The biggest secret hack to hijack targeted traffic on Pinterest by making use of a platform called Digistore24, and here best traffic secret to drive affiliate sales, okay. Different strategies I'm going to show you it in my channel. So I request you to please subscribe and show some support so that I get motivated and create lot many videos for you. That's it for today guys, and have a great day. Bye bye, take care.